In this video, I'll be showing you how to add text in Photoshop. Start by selecting the text tool from the side or by pressing T on your keyboard. Click where you want the text to be. Type to add your text. Highlight the text if you want to make any changes. Above the canvas, you will see the standard text options, allowing you to change the font, font style, text size, and paragraph alignment. To change the color of the text, click the colored box. Use the side color slider to choose a color. Click and drag on the large palette to select the shade. You can also use the color options on the right or a hex code to select an exact color. Click OK to change the color of the font. You will also find more text options on the right in the Paragraph and Characters panel. If you don't see these, then expand the Window menu from the top and enable them. Your text will now be added in Photoshop.